quality product from Punjas Biscuits.
Yeah, a big Bulla Vinaka, ladies and gentlemen, Yandra Vinaka, to all those tuning in this morning in the bus,
Yandra Vinaka,
in the whatsoever, in the transport, in the car, in the on top of the horse,
in the carrier.
In the carrier, big Bulla Vinaka, ladies and gentlemen. This is our Palagi show, and thanks to Punjas Zeera, quality product of Punjas Biscuits.
Yes.
Good morning, Eleanor.
Very good morning, Mika. Very good morning.
Right. I want to say good morning to those tuning in on the VTFM Facebook page,
Yes.
and all those tuning in on the VTFM YouTube channel, and also those tuning in on the VTFM TikTok account. Double tap, brother, double tap.
Good morning. Thank you for tuning in this morning.
Say good morning to all those mothers who
Yes.
are still baking because they wake up late this morning.
Oile.
Bayan ratal tungan dibikin ni kita saran ndo bata boli cikum ngori. And bonu ada mga nindo bata boli mekina and matakeni ko. People asking, where is this tomato lanji? This tomato lanji is Demskakaya. Is going down to the west with the big brother.
Yes.
You know the big brother?
Yes.
Yeah, who?
Mike Kelly.
Don't know them is who's?
Mike's.
Demasi and Mike Kelly, they are on the way down to Singatoka for the calendar sale.
Yes.
This morning, yeah. Big Bulla Vinaka to those tuning in the overseas, and also those tuning in the live stream this morning. A big Bulla Vinaka to all those
Bulla Vinaka.
working under the NAC program in Australia, and all those in
New Zealand.
Say hi to those in China.
Yeah, Bulla Vinaka bekim niket sarna lu babytin
Right.
nito boli may China.
Right.
Na bukum beka ni buli, sengol ba kadaka.
Good
Sengol
morning.
ba ngande,
Good
na mata bubale. Very good morning to you.
Right. Those who are watching live this morning is Bill Lysenia
Bilisania, Bulla
Right.
Vinaka.
and
Yandra.
Miriam Tinay. Bulla Vinaka to Miriam Tinay and all those. John Kumar, Bulla love the money. Wow.
Oh.
You tell John Kumar to bring the watermelon.
Watermelon kayu.
Bakareta Bonovo and Ravinaka, thanks so much for tuning in all the way from Apia in Samoa.
Yandra Vinaka.
Hey, say hi to Apenisa.
Apenisa,
Yep.
Apenisa Ratu Ambalabu, eh?
Right.
Good morning, Yandra Vinaka, Celia Mere,
Right.
tuning in from Naveria Heights, Savu, hidden paradise
Wow.
of Savu.
Okay.
Hey, Dinesh, good morning, Dinesh. Didimba Selai,
Yeah.
and Samisoni Rokoua, Yandra
Right.
Vinaka,
Right.
Seburan Ronro, tuning in from Santa Rosa, California.
Bulla Vinaka.
Bulla Vinaka.
Want to say hi to all those tuning in the bus, the Lomaybuna bus, and also the Waimbao bus coming down to Suba. This is the Tadiro bus. A very good morning. Bulo and Semisi.
Good morning from Wabukau, England.
Wow.
Sambuta tungo ento na kuro sui levu. Poo!
Nice.
Gain duanga, gain barro nga binakatuyani.
Yeah.
And mbogi binakanikwa.
That's one kurusi, one pot of bone.
Yes.
One pot of bone there in England, eh?
Very nice for
Wow.
this weather, eh?
About ame seru tambua.
Ame Seru Tambua tuning in from Lambasa. Good morning.
Right.
Labraska. Maria Lendua. Yandra Vinaka. Sama sarti ko may honestly.
Right.
May turaki yan mataka Vinaka ni kuwa.
Okay, John Kumar again.
Yeah, John Kumar again. John Kumar everywhere in the comments. Hey, Williame koroi na tamana ya
Right.
Vinaka.
Right.
Ana bukutiko ni Isa. Waragitiko to all civil servants still waiting
Right.
for their pay. Yeah?
Wow.
Yandra Vinaka. Don't worry.
The pay will be there
Yes.
soon. We promise
The
you.
coconut will fall.
The coconut will fall. Okay, our love letter this morning.
Our love letter this morning.
Right,
This morning
yeah.
we receive
Few.
numerous love letters.
Wow.
Okay.
Mai.
My dear love,
Isan na yung dalomani.
your eyes attract me the most.
Na mata mo kachi-kachi yaw.
No, it's your charming smile.
Kaya na namun rin dalomani.
The sweet whisper in my ear
Ano mo ba kalu-kalu tumayin dalingango?
is what I love about you.
Nakaunda mo na membali chiko.
When you cringe on small things,
Niko kinichiao.
I love to see your face.
Aunda mo na kautali taga mo rin na mata mo.
When you get angry,
Nyo dhenru.
I love to see your face.
Iyo aunda tali taga talinga mo rin na mata mo.
Your blushing face attracts me the most.
Na kaya nando rin na kaya ni makarisi siyema ina loka ni mata mo.
It's your pretty face
Iyo na mata mo rin na ngaya.
which makes me go nuts over you.
Wow, baka mo na nungu liya-liya.
The way you speak
Na mo ibosa-bosa.
makes me go crazy for
Wow
you.
mo na talaga na nungu papadung-dung.
I really can't decide what attracts me the most.
Asya ni raw niyo nandingin taka na zabang beka na tikin yung umadawa attract tagi yung ko.
But let me tell you,
Ovitu ko na ko na zaba.
but let me tell you that I love everything about you.
Ang demoni ko may zake may adabagandira.
Do tell go.
May totoo tiko.
I may not tell you every day
Ang nasang nito ko na bika na basing ha.
that you mean the world to me,
Oy ko eba kami yaw na bura-bura.
but you do.
But you do, you the world. So,
You're the world at your fingertip.
wala na talimon.
The day you stepped into my life,
Nasi kong buto kinautongu,
you changed it
obeso taka,
into something so beautiful and meaningful.
may bakasar ngayon doon nakaririban na kagay pa kayong bale-bale.
I may not be the first woman in your life,
O siya nga ba ni matay ni tangan eh.
woman, but I want to be the last woman you ever loved.
Ako na binakatala nga may watch yaw. The first and the last.
I may not be the first woman to make you feel
O
love,
siya nga ba ni matay niya ngonelewa mewanan do. Muni ko binakabakaw ya.
but I want to be the only one
Mayaw duwan-duwa nga.
to make you feel love to
Wow.
the core.
Meron yun nakilaki nagabakilan. Nandun daw mo enak yan ang boton Newton.
Nabenta mo ni?
Iya na. Nabento mo ni Enandela ni Matambok. Okay. Kano siya siguro?
I am sorry for dear
Iya.
Dora.
Dia Dora. Okay, kivay Dora.
I am sorry
Yeah.
for
Iya.
what I did with you.
Buso ta sar nakawada ka ba kiko.
I was wrong.
Awadala.
You were right.
Doon nga iko.
I did not realize your importance in my life.
Aw siya ni may baka sa mata ka nakimong bimbibiyaw.
But now,
Go.
I can realize my fault.
Aw siya kila ni wadala. Aw side step.
I cannot express my emotion for you.
Sino ni nantukun raw pa iko na kaya ng bimbibiyaw.
But I was helpless.
Aw siya ni Dora ni kiyaw kina.
Please forgive me.
Puso ciyaw.
Now I miss you badly.
Leo sa mista kiko sarga.
I remember those days when you were with me.
Awan na numan ang una ni Dora tiko batakina.
I was very happy with you.
Maro takiko.
But I was compelled to break up with you.
Awa na numan mendaro sana biya tala-tala to ka nang una ya.
I had no option to continue.
Sa siyang talindo ng dingin-dingin mendaro na taman nga.
But now I want to start again.
Ni ko mendaro sana start alewada ba yun siya.
I was waiting for your reply.
Awara ka juga na mo reply.
Please reply me soon.
Tutolo.
Because it is important for my mental peace.
Bimbi baleta nanggung gabo ka.
I love you and I cannot live without you.
Siya nga ni rawan doon niyo ng beauty kung baleta ko sari baka dada na nagumona.
Love always,
Wow.
Mika.
Now, malam Zara, Zeera Bites, a quality product of Punjas Biscuits, another Ouch Palagi show, and mataka ni Vaka Dhambi singa ni koa. Iya malam Zara, may kami ni Zara cikumai, and mataka vinaka dai ni tagana ni marotaka na keno ya, and mataka vinaka ni ko. Muna daba ni siya matumikina, kalau ngada juga nabuk ni Veito Kani, and mataka dai nabuk ni nanda Ouch Palagi show. Tamay eroni ang ravinaka parang sar tumay mango may law and mataka ni ko ngani sarabi ay mula minaka tuwa bari ni minaka tiani gyar naman diri ni minaka koro kalungata and nabuko ni bay samati and mataka vinaka inday bari ni minaka tiani bay boss domo kamida.
Yan binaka. Bano ni binaka tu yaning ko itonga.
Iya.
Bano ni binaka berto na crew ni civil team CBS ngango.
Right.
I ofu vavau tonga. Tu yan binaka. Bano ni binaka lebo na buguti kuning garabitabi.
Right.
Ana mataka binaka ni
Nano
kuwa.
matiko tala itaka na ouch palagi show na mataka ni kuwa. Bandindri ko mbeka. Babu na smile lore na bachimu na bunonga ko sa matamiki na gore. Dono mo likes, dono mo share taka ng page na page ko lemena. Mer sarap talaga na mo ni friends. Ni bigyan mo ni na TikTok double tap chiko ba ko bigyan mo ni na sa chiko na YouTube channel na mulava na kinalebo na kinabinaka. Vasu nangole
Yan binaka. Do bati ko main tabu ilebo na mataba na ni kuwa bayan serta nga.
Iya.
Na korongo na ibudini.
Do yanra.
Pero na piotini Lazaro bata kay sabaira nandebo.
Wili.
Nabalebo na sema bolito kumain na mataka binaka ni kuwa. Bano ni binaka bigyan mo na piotini.
Di na sara.
Seta reki mulai yan binaka sa masarti ko may Innisfail Australia. May Australia en mataka binani kuwa. Abaro tungo na leya daka. Bano ni binaka nakabukuti ko ni garabitabi ana singa ni kuwa. John Rambo
ngori ndar chiko na LTA ngoi FNPF Plaza. Chiko boli ngori may kino ya ko na nebo maika.
Oi, yan binaka.
Ile kini chia malaita rambia tuno ka kini chia wow. Na balem na.
Yan binaka seriana nan ruku. May tangange marabi kay nanronga.
Dola.
Marabi kay nanronga bikem niket sarna turanga maraman reus. Nama ki rome na beta vini ana bukiti ni kana bolita kiti ko na ibola ni bula.
O siko ni ke purini. Rusanga som chika ni ngori. Michael Randua ke Idams. Rosa chika ni ngori manesa
Au
semora.
ker mero tanga bisar nga pa mataka.
Iyo. Na wai na pauta na kakeve. Mero soso to ngana singa todo ni kwa. Na bale mo na sema tumai dono mo likes, dono mo share na makatali na ouch palang show na mataki ni Monichi.